ग्लोबल आउटडोर एडवर्टाइजिंग के प्रबंध निदेशक हैं, आपका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। पधारिए। आइए श्री राजेश विवेकी हरियाणा चादर से His Grace गुरुतुल्य His Grace सूरदास प्रभु जी उनको आशीर्वाद देते हुए।
Thank you.
This is Sanjeev Gupta, a very nice and a humble devotee of the Lord. And his father was a very good friend of mine, and he used to get up early in the morning, and sometimes he used to come at 4:30 here. Sudas Prabhu mein yahan par aayu, and many times he came to Kharghar also. And I want to thank Sanjeev for doing a fantastic publicity for the inauguration of Kharghar, and I'm indebted to you for whatever you did at the time. I think the whole Bombay was completely painted by the holdings of Sanjeev Global, and I thank you very much for doing whatever you have done for our inauguration, and may Krishna bless you all the time for carrying out the spiritual activities in a true sense, and giving, sometimes true exposure to the spiritual organizations like ISKCON, and it emerged out of nowhere, and people wondered what is happening in Kharghar, because they never came, nor the rich, nor the poor, but it manifested. And it manifested there in such a manner that the Modi ji came. And then, so people, आजकल के ज़माने में कलयुग में सब लोग चमत्कार को नमस्कार करते हैं, आप हार्ड वर्क को नमस्कार नहीं करते, भक्ति को नमस्कार नहीं करते, चमत्कार को, जो अंडा निकाले मुंह से उसको नमन करते हैं। So, but Sanjeev did a great work. He's a young entrepreneur. Krishna bless him, and he's all that at the backside. And everybody asked me, how much do you spend on the publicity?
क्या बोला सर?
I said, what do you think? What I spend? If I tell them, they will be completely, with on revel. They will be all thinking, what's happening? So it was Sanjeev Prabhu who made it happen, and in fact, Modi and the clan of all the people, politicians, they were very much happy.
I'm honored, sir.
And Sanjeev and Krishna bless you all the time, and Radha Rani bless you. Otherwise, जिनके पास बैंक बैलेंस में 5-10 करोड़ रुपया हो जाता है, वो विदेश भाग जाते हैं, वो इंडिया में रहते। You know this business fund. उनके बैंक पर किसी के पास भी 500-100 करोड़ रुपया हो जाता है, उसका घर लंदन में बन जाता है, दुबई में बन जाता है। So, साधु को लोग बोलते हैं, प्रभु जी क्या करूं आपके लिए? कभी बोलते हैं कपड़ा ले लीजिए, जैसे हमने कभी जिंदगी में सुना नहीं। मैंने बोला भाई थोड़ा साधु का न सोना दो, साधु का न कुछ कपड़ा दे दो, न चादर दे दो, 2 रुपए की 100 रुपए की चादर से उसको सम्मान करते हैं। These are all completely crazy things. Give your heart and Lakshmi to the sadhu who will serve Sanatana Dharma. Okay? If you want to expand the Sanatana Dharma, once upon a time Subhash No. Who gave us the freedom? At the time, what did he say? Subhash Chandra Bose.
तो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा.
आप मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. मगर वैष्णव कभी खून नहीं मांगता, वह आपके कर्म के फलों को ठाकुर जी के चरणों तक ले जा सकता है. अगर वो साधु है, अगर मठाधीश है तो खत्म. अगर श्रील प्रभुपाद जी का प्रतिनिधि है तो उसके हाथ में लक्ष्मी दे दो, वो आपके सनातन कार्य को बढ़ाने में कार्य करे. आज जो खारगर में एक 200 करोड़ रुपए का प्रोजेक्ट बना है, वो हमने डोर तक भी मांग लिया है उन लोगों को. और जब तक वो ऊपर नहीं आया तब तक वो खारगर तक भी नहीं हो. तो स्वामी जी, मैं बहुत थका हूँ, मेरे को 1 घंटा जाने में बहुत तकलीफ हो, मगर दारू की पार्टी होगी तो वो विरार तक पहुंच जाए. Correct, Sanjeev?
Right.
Well, this is my experience of 50 years, and all people are glorious. And today we are going to see a wonderful show of Meenakshi Seshadri. She's a wonderful devotee. She has come back, and she loves the stage. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy her performance. It's purely a devotion, and of course, a celebrity like her, always thinking about Krishna. I knew her mother also. She was a fantastic devotee, and I love her too much because she is dedicated her life for this art, and she loves the stage. Have a wonderful time. Enjoy this bliss of Krishna consciousness in this place, and may Krishna bless you all the time. And thank you.
तकतरी कुकुंदन किट तकधीम तकतरी कुकुंदन किट तकधीम तकतरी कुकुंदन किट तकधीम स्वागतं कृष्णा